Kani kadege Bati CTV. Bat pidang pet yaki kubor paman kasni balawan rasya pidang Modrina Auto Enterprises Maulanong Kwar TSS Road Shillong ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan Lums Hop Ho Shillong wan bantiet yaka Kali Datsun ready go bathamai kabas kem bat bidor
Ka Women Empowerment Committee ka balasyong ya ka jingyelang ha ka pratarik urisao arjar arpo ka lepan pau ya ka jing sngaw lengo halor ka jingduna syaba palat jong ki nongshong shnong ka jela pan penrung kerteng yeladi ha u adhar khanang ban yolut ya ki jing mentoy ki balambang na ka sarkar na ka benta ki nongshong shnong ha kari India barok ka way habakren shikilat pathai kubor ka chairperson jong ka committee ka Dr. M. Amperin Lingdo kalapan pau ya kijing sngaw lengo ban yo I baka jing penrung kerteng ya adhar kaduna bha ka jela Meghalaya bat katkum ka jing yo jing khen hadu ubnai nai tung arjar arpo ki penrung kerteng adhar Hari Boy district kilong tangkhat 1% bat ha Southwest Khasi Hills district bat kalong tangkhat lai persen shushu nakalyang jong ka Dr. Amperin kalaong ha ka jela barok ka way ki don tang lai spa South ligi kor ki batrekam na kabenta ban pentrekam ha ka penrung kerteng ya u adhar bat kani ka bo jing e bha bat kan shimporu ban pendep ye ki jing don kambaro
and we have inquired about the status of the implementation of Aadhaar in the state of Meghalaya. We were dismayed and a little upset when we looked at the status note of coverage of Aadhaar registry in our state. For example, up to July of 2020, Ribhoi coverage was only 15%, Southwest Khasi Hills was only 13%, and most of these coverages, as we've seen, are inadequate. In the given situation where the government of India now is linking Aadhaar to practically every beneficiary scheme that the government of India is engaged in. The latest addition to linkage of Aadhaar is the NFSA scheme or the ration card scheme. There is great fear in the mind of the public that if you do not have an Aadhaar card, you may stop receiving your ration. So we have seen that this is going to become a big problem. And when we looked at the numbers of machines, UDAR machines that were available in the entire state, we have seen that that is also inadequate because as per the reports of the Department of GAD, they have only 304 kids working on the ground. And if you have such a big population and where you have the PMAYG, the Manegra, the NFSA, and so many other schemes that are linking now to Aadhaar, 304 kids will not be sufficient. However, the GAD is yet to distribute 537 kits to various parts of the state. Now, a kit goes along with an operator. So they still haven't gotten an idea as to how they're going to be dealing with the appointment of these 537 operators that will be required. Because these operators can only be appointed on passing of the NSEIT examination. And there is only one center which is close to our state, and that is in Guwahati. Government of Meghalaya has to impress upon the government of India to allow training of operators to also be imparted in our own home state. Because if everybody has to go all the way to Guwahati to clear an examination to be eligible to be posted as operator for the machines, it's going to be difficult. We've also discussed the fact that networking is still a major problem in the state of Meghalaya, in 90% of the state. So what is happening therefore is that the generation of Aadhaar cards to applicants is taking a very long time. in this day and age of modern technology, once the application is received by UDAI, the card takes up to 3 to 4 months to reach the applicant, because they still send back this card to the applicant by post. We know that the post office has a lot of difficulties already which are inherent in the state of Meghalaya. Now the delay of these cards is also causing dearly to our beneficiaries, because so many of their schemes are now not able to move ahead. So we have requested the registering authority, which is the GAD department, to immediately have a coordination meeting with all line departments where Aadhaar has been made compulsory, like the CNRD, the Food and Civil Supply, the Health Department, the Education Department for scholarships and other benefits and schemes. And we will again await for these reports, and we will again have a consultative program with the GAD. And there is another thing that we have noted, and that is whenever we discussed the fact that there was an apprehension about the implementation of Aadhaar in the state of Meghalaya. But from the report that we get from the Commissioner Secretary, we have been made to understand that there is no resistance about Aadhaar registration as of today in the state of Meghalaya. The entire state has a coverage of only 32%. So there's a lot that needs to get done. Many line departments have to be coordinated together so that residents and citizens of the state of Meghalaya are not made to suffer because of the inadequate arrangements for registry of Aadhaar. I can give you an example. In Shillong City, I know that there is only one functional center for the registry of Aadhaar somewhere in Nongthamai, Jelly Shop. Now when you go to that location, you will find that there's so much pressure because of the queues that continue to line up. And as correctly pointed out by the GAD department, many errors also occur at the time of registration. Names are spelled incorrectly, addresses are indicated wrongly. So the GPS mapping is now becoming a big problem. So what the government has done is that the GAD has now been made the nodal registrar of Aadhaar, but DCs of every district have now been made agencies for Aadhaar registry. So we urge upon the government of Meghalaya to take note of this and to speed up and to ensure that coverage for Aadhaar speeds up and is totally covered in as short a time as possible.